Hello, boys and girls, once again. Welcome to our lesson today, and we are going to look at words in singular form and in plural form. That means by the end of the lesson, you should be able at least to identify 5 or even 7 words that take S for plural. So get ready. We want to look at many of those words that we know of, or maybe we don't know. I'll get to tell them to you so that we change them from singular to plural. Later on in the lesson, we will also look at the way we change sentences from singular to plural. Now I've got some words with me here. I'm hoping you are able to see those words the way they are in singular and the way they are in plural. When we look at word number 1, table, in singular, and then in plural we call it tables. Number 2, we have the word road. Road in singular and then in plural. Number 3, we have ruler, and in plural, rulers. Horse, in plural, horses. These are just a few words that take S for plural, and there's so many words that we can give as examples. I want you to try them out there with your parents, and then you can write them down in your booklet. So these are some of the words, and this is how they change. These are words that take S for plural. So I want you to practice more using other words with the help of your parents, how to change them from singular form to plural form. We now want to look at sentences. There are different words we can use and examples changing sentences from singular to plural. Now I want us to look at this chart here with me. There are words that will change their forms in plural. When you look at word number 1, this, look at the way we write that word, this. And then in plural, we write it as this. When you are talking about one item, you use it in singular form as this. When you are using it in plural form and you are referring to many items, you will refer it to this. Another word in a sentence, if you come across the word that, in plural it will be those. As you can see here, the other word will change from is to are. Is to are. The other word I have is has and have. In singular we say has, and in plural we say have. I can give a sentence. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. When it is one, we say this is a ruler. But when we talk about plural, we say these are rulers. That is how we say the sentence in plural form. I also have another example here with me. This is a book, and in plural we say these are books. Look at the way the word this changes in plural, and then you look at is and are. When we say the sentence in plural, it will be these are books. These are books. Well, boys and girls, that was just a reminder of what we did in grade 2, where we refer as one and many. And now we are meeting these new terms, singular and plural. So put in mind that you can have words in their singular form and in their plural form, and every word, different words will take different forms in their plural. So I'm glad that you have had time to listen and time to learn. We look forward for another lesson that we will have other words changing from singular to plural. Bye for now.